Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Michael Mayo with Affiliate Rookie, where I show you great ideas and great tools to grow your online business or to even start one. So today we're looking at a platform called Livestorm. Livestorm allows you to do webinars, meetings. It is actually faster to start a meeting with this platform than it is with Zoom. So if you're looking for a platform that's going to help you get webinars and meetings right away, and you can do it for free, then watch this video. So if you like this video, hit thumbs up, and you want to see more content like this video, hit the subscribe button. So let's jump in and take a peek at Livestorm. Okay, so we are logged on to the dashboard of Livestorm, and this is what it looks like on the dashboard. This will actually show you where all your events are happening, and it gives you a little bit of information on how many people registered, how many events you've had, the average registered, the end of the sessions, 100% percentage of how many actually attended, as well as how long the session went for and the average session for minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an event, and when we do the event, it's going to open up some features, and that's what I'm going to show you about the platform. So the first thing you would do is you would log on to you would click on new event. Okay, now this is where you would give it a name. So we're going to give it a name. Okay, and then here's where you set up some of your criteria. So for instance, if you wanted to change the link URL, which is basically URL, you can edit that and give it a different name. So if you have a certain project you're doing, you want to give it a name, or if you have a certain product you're selling, you can give it a name. You can change that as well. And this is where you can change and give permissions to your team members or guests to speak, or you can get everybody in the meeting automatically to speak. So you just click on that. So we're just going to do guest. Okay. And in this area right here with the sessions, where you create your sessions when you actually want the meeting to happen, it's automatically going to default to a time, which is within 3 hours. But you just click on it, and then you can change the time, very simple and easy, by clicking the date and then clicking the time that you want to change the session to. Okay. And then you can do, if you're in the United States time zone, or you can do a different time zone, and you can do a different city time zone. For instance, Phoenix, Arizona is 3 hours behind right now from East Coast. Okay. And then what you do is you hit save. So once you hit save, you will go to the next session, which is when you add all the people in. So you can add, this is where you would add all the members that you want to attend the meeting, okay? And we just have me right now. But this is what you just click, and you have all of them right here, okay? And this will send out an email to them to let them know that this session or meeting or whatever you're doing is happening, and they will have to register or click accept, okay? So what you would do is you would click on create event. Now, just let you know, when you click on event, does not mean that you're actually creating an event. You will have to hit publish, which is up here. But before you get to publish, you will have to set up the criteria. When I said before in the beginning, this is when it opens up the features of the platform. So here's where you will see the name of the meeting or event, whatever you're doing. And here's the URL in case you forgot to change. You can edit it again. You can give it at least a little description right here. You can give it a little description of what it is. And it also gives you the options again if you want people to talk in the meeting, or you just want the people who you invited as hosts as well as that. And then here, down here in this estimate time, you can do time. So if the meeting is going to be an hour, you can put hour. If the meeting is just going to be 15 minutes, or 45 minutes, you can click on that. As well as here in language, you can click on language. You can choose different type of languages, okay? And then another thing here is this is where you would set up your registration. So you would click on registration. This is where people get emails. So when you're sending the registration, if you're doing an event, right, you can choose if you want their email, if you want their name, you want their last name, if you want them to create an avatar, if they have avatar with this platform. You can also add other fields like telephone numbers, websites, job titles, whatever you want to click on in this here. You can even add social media platforms as well. You just click on and add that to this basically registration field, okay? And then you have the policies, or you can in here, which you can put in here, you can click on it and you can take it off, okay? Or you can add other ones, policies and terms. So if you are promoting a product or talking about a product, you can put information in here saying that this is private, you can't, let other people know about it and stuff like that. Okay, another thing you can do here in this one, additional advanced settings, is where you can have people register under their business name only, and you can eliminate, if you click on here, you can see that you can eliminate, Outlook, Yahoo, Gmail. You can have them only use their business. So if this is basically for a businesses to business and you want their emails, then you would say, hey, I need to register with your business email. You would click on that, okay? Another thing you can do is you can change in the features, you can change the room event. So this is where you would set up the room on what you want to do. Like if you ever been to a webinar, you would create certain criteria. For instance, you can do it to the public, or you can do it private questions. So you can have people ask questions, or you can do it to, specifically for you, or you can do it private for everybody to see it. And then another thing, you can do polls. So you can have people take polls while they're in here as well. And you can just go in here. Here's the questions. And then here's the polls. You can actually put those informations in before the meeting and ask those questions. Another thing you can do is you can hide. So for instance, say you're doing a webinar and you say that you want 100 people to attend, but say only 20 people attended. You can hide how many people actually showed up for the webinar or event, okay? Another thing you can do is you can hide specific information, which is the person who attending's last name. You just want them to see the last name. You want to keep that private. Another thing you could do is when people registered for the event, you can actually say there's documents and books and stuff like PDF files. You can actually click on that and you can upload the PDF files so people can download it before the event, okay? So that's one thing's good. So if you have a course and you're doing it live and you know that there's material you want to present to the people, maybe a worksheet they can use while they're doing it, you can actually attach this, okay? And then here's the design. So this is where you would design what you want the registration page to look like. You can change the colors, you can add a logo, and you can add a background image. And this is where what it will look like, okay? You can also do that with your email. So you can do it through here and see what the emails look like when they go to access the event. So and that's right here as well, okay? And this is where, I'm sorry, that is design. So the design is here for emails. You can see what it looks like and you can change the email template, to the colors that you want, and you can actually add the logo to the email template. So in the email section here for registrations, you can you can set it up to get emails sent out to the people when they register, and you can preview that and you can edit any of these registration information. Just give it a second. And then what's going to happen, you can edit, you can look at all this and see if this is what you want. If you want to add, the calendar, so they can add it to a calendar, you can add all of that. And you can actually edit that by clicking content. And then you can edit your email and set it up the way you want, okay? And then you can also send, let me get out of here. You can also send out, you can edit every single thing. So you can change the reminders. So say for instance, you want to do a reminder for, you want them to be reminded that the meeting is going to start now or start in 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours. You can send that, and you can add additional emails as well. And then you can put your name here as a signature. This is from Michael Mail, or this is from Stephen Austin, whatever you want to use, you can do that, okay? And then you have record in demand, okay? So you can enable to record the session or not. It's your choice. Okay, you can do that. Now here is playback access. So this is you can set it to where no one has access to have access to the replay, or just the people who actually signed up, or everybody. So for instance, if you've done a webinar course and you want, say you want 100 people to attend and say 20 people haven't, and you can set it up to those other 80 people, they can watch it later, okay? And then you can do replay source videos. You can actually get a frame, and you could take that and paste it on your website, or you could paste it on YouTube. You could paste it wherever that will accept the iframe to upload. And you can see that it says on YouTube and many other sources, okay? And you can also upload the video here, and then you can to share, download. I mean, you can share the video as well. You can share your other videos as well. Okay, so as part of that, and then you have integrations and stuff. You can set up integrations with different platforms, Twitter, stuff like that, and then you can automate it to set up what you want and how you want it. You can disable it, and this will automatically allow you to automate your events. So you can sit here and click this and set it up to autoplay. So for instance, again, if you recorded the webinar or the course or whatever you want to do, and you want to do autoplay, you can set it up to do that automatically. You can put specific times in, and that will automatically have people, when they get an email, say, hey, join this webinar, and they say I want to go at 5 o'clock, they can do that when you can automate it, okay? So, all right, so we showed you some of the features when it comes to registering, getting everything registered. So let's hit event, and let's hit publish event, okay? Hit confirm. Okay, congratulations, blah, blah, blah. Now, just know we're on the free, we are on the free one, okay? We're not on the plan, we're on the free one, okay? Okay, so that's, all right, let's see. Let's go back to the session here. Sorry. So when you hit session, this is where the session, this will show you how many people have in the room, and this shows you how many people have registered, okay? Now, and this is where you see how many people who actually, how many people actually attended, and then you can see how many people who actually email sent out and how many people accepted it. And then you can see how many, if it's been recorded, which it has not been recorded yet. And then you have, of course, you have the settings to go, which I just showed you a second ago, okay? And that's really simple how you do an event. Now, you can also do instant meetings. You just say, for instance, you have a really quick conference call that you need to talk about something that's important. You can create a quick meeting. You just basically click quick meeting. You give it a name, and then you can add, titles to it, to what room it's going to be in, and you hit create meetings. And this is where you add your team members. I'm sorry, before we go back, let's go going too fast. This is where you add your team members. So if you had to add a bunch of people to the meeting, you would do that, and then you hit create a meeting. And then that meeting room will be automatically ready to go. You can instantly start a meeting, very quick and very simple. A lot of people on Zoom, it takes a little bit to set up, but this one you can set it up like that in 2 seconds, okay? And then this is where you will see all the people that, like I said, you get quite a bit of information, what cities, if they use websites, if they use their phone number. This is all information you would have with that. This platform is very simple and very easy. There's not a lot to it. It's very simple. You can set up meetings like that with this platform. And like I said, if you're looking for something alternative to Zoom, this will be a really good platform because it's fast and easy. Okay, some other features this platform has, it allows you to integrate with different other platforms, okay? So if you go to integration here, you will be able to integrate this with YouTube, Twitch, and other sources as well. But if you hit up set up new integration, this will take you to different type of integrations like Zapier, Webhook, Public API, Stack, Google Analyst, internal com, draft. It has other type of platforms you can integrate. So all you have to do is basically click on it and then get an API code, and you can actually integrate with different things. As you can see, here's the code for Zapier, and then you can use that automatically because it's built inside, and you can use it with different type of email auto responses as well as other social media platforms that is not connected right away. So it does have some other integrations you can use this with. So let's check out the nitty gritty, which is the prices. So they have 3 plans here, okay? Well, we'll say 4 because it's really 3, but I'm gonna show you 4. Okay, so they have a free plan. The free plan is unlimited events, unlimited moderators. You can do instant meetings up to 4 people. So if you have a staff of 4 people around the world, you can do up to 4 instant meetings. Your events will only be able to last for 20 minutes, and that's meetings as well. And then you can do up to 10 registered per event. So that means you can have up to 10 people register for your events, and 10 people can attend for your events. Meetings and events are 2 different things, just to let you know that, okay? And that is, you get, like, again, here's 10, and you get live attendance limited to add-ons, which is 10, okay? And then you have the 109 a month, and that'll allow you to do unlimited events, unlimited moderators, instant meetings with up to 12 people, and your events will be up to 4 hours. So if you have a course that's 2 hours long, you can use this platform. And you can have unlimited registered events. And that means as many people can register. So if you have, for instance, you send out an email and 300 people register, but only 100 people can attend at a time, okay? So you can basically send out 100 invites, and hopefully you get maybe 20 or 50 people, 10, and you can send it out again to another different 50 to see if they want to go. But then you have to, if you know you have more than 100 people want to attend that event, then you have to say, let them know that you have to reschedule it. Or you can go and get the 250 plan, and that's $218 a month, as well as you need more, 1,000 people, that'll be $338 a month. That these are all monthly plans, okay? So like I said in the beginning, they have 3 plans, but technically there's really 5, okay? So, and that's what you have here. Now, if you need more than one host on your thing, then you click this down here, and then that'll cost you $109 for extra host. So you have an extra person with you hosting the meeting. Okay, and then here it is for $327 and 447 for 1,000. Okay, so they have an enterprise plan, which you get all these. You get multiple multiple workspaces, experts. You get LSA. You get CSM. You get a bunch of these different features, and you'll have to contact them to get what the price point would be, and they will work out some kind of plan for you, specifically for your business. Okay, so if you like this platform, Livestorm, there'll be a link at the bottom of this video. FYI, I am affiliated with this platform, so anything you buy from premium and on, I will get a small commission to help my channel grow. This is a really good platform if you're looking for something to try out, and you're looking for something that's going to give you instant meetings, and if you're looking for something besides using Zoom, then this platform might be good for you. Okay, so if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you like this content, you want to see more content like this video, hit the subscribe button. This is Michael Mail with Affiliate Rookie. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you on the next one. You have a great day.